You may have heard that drinking lemongrass oil can provide incredible health benefits, but is it actually safe to consume this potent essential oil? The truth about ingesting lemongrass oil may surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your source for science-backed information on using natural ingredients for health and wellness. Today we're taking a close look at lemongrass essential oil, specifically, whether it's a good idea to drink it. Lemongrass oil is prized for its vibrant, citrusy aroma and is a popular ingredient in Southeast Asian cuisine. But what happens when you ingest this highly concentrated oil? 1. Lemongrass tea for digestive issues. Brew a tea using 1-2 teaspoons of fresh or dried lemongrass per cup of boiling water. 1. Steep for 5-10 minutes, then strain. 1. The tea can help ease digestive discomfort, bloating, and nausea. 1. Drink 1-2 cups per day for best results. 2. Lemongrass cooking oil for healthy recipes. Infuse cooking oil with lemongrass for a fragrant, flavorful addition to stir-fries, curries, and marinades. 2. Finely chop lemongrass and heat it in your oil of choice, like coconut or olive oil, over low heat for 10-15 minutes. 2. Strain out the lemongrass and store the infused oil in the fridge for up to a week. 3. Lemongrass steam inhalation for respiratory health. Add a few drops of lemongrass essential oil to a bowl of hot water. 3. Carefully lean over the bowl and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. 3. Inhale deeply for 5-10 minutes. 3. The antimicrobial properties of lemongrass can help clear sinuses and support respiratory health. 4. Lemongrass massage oil for sore muscles. Mix a few drops of lemongrass essential oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. 4. Gently massage into sore, tired muscles. 4. The anti-inflammatory compounds in lemongrass can help ease pain and stiffness. 5. Lemongrass room spray for natural air freshening. Add 10-15 drops of lemongrass oil to a spray bottle filled with 1 cup of water. 5. Shake well before each use and spray around your home for a fresh, clean scent. 5. Lemongrass can also help repel insects naturally. Remember to do a patch test before using lemongrass oil on your skin, and never apply it undiluted. Also, remind your viewers to choose high-quality, pure essential oils from reputable brands. Natural remedies can be powerful, so it's important to use them safely and responsibly.